Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check serial number for your earbuds Happy Plugs Joy. You have two options how to check it. The first one is to use a box, and at the bottom of the box right here we have a SAN, what means serial number, so here's how you can check it. The second option is to find this information at the charging case, so you need to open it, and right here at the right side, maybe I will zoom it for you. So right here we also have a SAN, one again mean serial number, and this one is your second option. These earbuds haven't application, so you cannot use the app to check serial number. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!